Hello everyone, welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today I am going to explain preposition. Students, in the previous video we have read about preposition, its kinds, and different prepositions are used to indicate different meanings. Here again in this second video, we will read here that prepositions are used to indicate different meanings. Some of them are: number 1. For indicating material or ingredient, we are using, students, the preposition like of or from. For example, this chair is made of wood. Here of indicate that the chair is made of the material wood. We make butter from milk. Students, here from indicate that butter is made of milk. These furnitures are made of plastic. So of indicate that the furniture are made of the material plastic. My mother makes milkshake from milk. So here, student, from indicate that milkshake is made of the ingredient milk. So it is clear here that material and indicate, for indicating material and indicate, we are using the prepositions like of and from. Student, one more thing we have got here, that when the material change its form, then we are using the preposition from. For example, here butter is made up of milk. So here milk changed the form of butter, and in the fourth sentence milk changed the form of milkshake. So here form is changed, and that's why from is used here. And here in example number first and example number third, the form is not changed. Chair is made of wood. So here wood is already wood here. The form is not changed, and that's why we have used the preposition of. In the third sentence also, these furnitures are made of plastic. So here the material plastic is used and the form of the plastic is not changed, and that's why of is used. Second one, student, means or instrument. For indicating means or instrument, we are using the preposition like by, in, or with. For example, he came here by car. So by indicate the means. It is written in ink. So in indicate the means. We see with our eyes. So with indicate that with the help of eyes we see. This play was written by Mohan. So by indicate again the means. The house was destroyed by fire. So by indicate the means. Next one, student, for indicating manner, we are using the prepositions like or with. For indicating manner, we are using the preposition like or with. For example, he is like his father. So his manner is like his father. That's why like is used. He treated me with kindness. So here, student, how is the manner? Kindness. So with is used. I looked upon this work with pride. So how was the manner? With pride. So with is used. He heard me with sympathy. So how was the manner? Sympathy. So for indicating manner, we are using here like or with. Number 4 student, for indicating cause. For cause we are using the preposition from, of, for and with. For example, he died from loss of blood. So here student, from is used to indicate that the reason of the death is what? Loss of blood. He died of cholera. So student, here of is used because the cholera is a disease. So if there is any disease, so we have to use of for making any cause, for the cause of death. He will suffer for his bad habit. If student, if there is bad habit, so we have to write what? For giving the cause we are using the preposition for. Her eyes are red with tears. Student, if there is such type of sentences like her eyes are red with tears. So tears is what? A type of means here and a type of cause for the redness of the eyes. So here with is used. So we have got here student that for indicating cause, from, of, for or with is used. Students, for indicating measurement or standard, we are using the preposition like at, by, for and to. For example, rice sells at rupees 4 a kilo. So at indicate what? The standard or the measurement of the unit here. The measurement of the price here, the standard of price. So that's why at is used. Mangoes sell to a rupees. So again, to indicate what? To indicate the standard of the price. It is 10 by my watch. Here student, the measurement of time is indicated by. He is good at painting. At indicate the standard of the skill. She is bad at mathematics. Again, at indicate the standard of the skill here. So it is clear here that measurement or standard, for indicating measurement or standard, we are using the preposition at, by, for or to. Number 6 students, for indicating support or opposition, we are using two prepositions. For support, for, and for opposition, against. For example, I stand for my friend. Here for indicate what? Support. I am for the resolution. For indicate what? Support. He is against me. Against indicate opposition. He is against the motion. Against indicate what? Opposition. So this is clear student that for support or opposition we are using the preposition like for and against. Student, for exception, for indicating exception we are using the preposition like but or except. For example, none but I can do this work. For with none student but is used. For with none, with preposition is used but. None but I, none but she dance very well. So, and if there is all, so we use which preposition? Except. All except him have done well. All except me have reached there. So we have got here that with none but is used and with all except is used for indicating the exception. Student, for indicating concession, with here for indicating concession, the preposition in spite of is using. For example, in spite of poverty, he is happy. It means, student, there is poverty even if he is happy. So in spite of is indicating concession. In spite of difficulties, he rose high. So in spite of indicating here that in spite of difficulties means there is difficulties even if he rose high. In spite of the pain in his leg, he completed the marathon. So in spite of again indicated the concession here. In spite of the fog, planes are still landing. So that one again, student, in spite of indicated the concession here in all the four sentences, that in spite there is poverty even if he is happy, there is difficulty, he rose high, there is pain in his leg, he completed the marathon, there is fog, planes, but still the planes are landing. So they indicate the concession, and for concession, student, which preposition is used? In spite of. Number 9, for indicating part or portion. For indicating part or portion, of preposition is used. For example, this is the window of this house. So, of indicate what? That window is the part of the house. This is the horn of my car. So, of indicate what? That horn is the part of the car. Give me a piece of silk. So, student, of indicate that piece is the portion of the silk here. Silk cloth. My mother gave me a slice of sandwich. So, of indicate what? That the sandwich here, the slice is the part of that sandwich. So it is clear here that of indicate the part or portion of something. Number 10, for indicating subject matter, we are using the preposition on and about. I am reading a book on English grammar. So on indicate that the book is, what is the subject of the book? English grammar. I told him about my school. So here about indicate that I told him about what? About my school. So here there is the topic what? About my school. So the subject matter is what? School, and that's why about is used here. He has doubt about his honesty. So here what is the matter? Honesty, his honesty, and that's why about is used. What do you know about this incident? So about is used here because the subject is what? This incident. So for indicating subject matter, we are using the preposition on and about. Students, for indicating accompaniment, we are using the preposition with. For example, Shubodh went to Shimla with his wife. So, with indicate what? With indicate that Shubodh went to Shimla in the company of his wife. His son went to college in the company of his friend. That's why with is used. A beautiful girl came with her lover. So in the company of her lover. So here with is used. I played with them. So I in the company of them. So that's why with is used here. Student, it is clear here that for indicating accompaniment we are using the preposition with. Students, so here we have read the 10 topics, the 10 situations where different prepositions are used for indicating different meanings. Thank you for watching the video, students. If you like my video, share it, subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you once again.